guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Nesting Padasalai. So in this video, I'll be sharing you what are the textbook and other books that I have used for clearing the CSIR NET JRF examination. So in each video, I'll tell about the book and what are the subjects I studied in the book and how you can get the book and what is the price of the book. These are from my personal suggestion, friends. So this will definitely give you a motivation to clear those books, and few textbooks won't be here, but those books are too much of cost, so I just utilize the soft copy which is available in the internet. And so we'll get into the video. Let's get started. So first book, this was the book which I got first for my CSIR examination, and this is the question paper bank, and it is from R. Gupta's publication. So this is a previous year question paper, and the cost of the book, and it is from this Ramesh Publishing House, New Delhi, and the cost is for 265. I got this book from the Amazon. I got this book first from the Flipkart. So this is the first time I got a product from that particular online shopping websites, and this is a very good, friends, very good book, friends. So this is how you will have, since I got from that particular year up to that particular year only we have. So I have put in a separate video about this particular thing. So really this particular book is good. So the next again a question paper booklet. So this is a question paper booklet. So this is from this Grassroots Academy, and this is a topic wise segregated book. So each topic you will have a book. So regarding the review of this particular book, I had placed a separate video. I'll give the link as iCard, as an in-card, friends. So this I got from that particular website itself, www.grassrootacademy.in. I got them for 450 with around 500 something. Okay. So the next book is this. I don't like the book to be uncovered, so I just cover them with this particular paper. And this is a Life Sciences Fundamentals and Practice book number 1, 5th edition, and this is Pranav Kumar sir book. So this is also a first book I got, and I studied this. Okay, so this is the book which I got. So this is the good book we can get, but now we have 7th edition. You better go for the 7th edition. And this is also Pranav Kumar sir's book, 5th edition, Fundamentals and Practice book number 2. And see what is the book stage. It is completely damaged, friends, and this is also again a good book for you to prepare regarding plant physiology. These things from the textbook itself, they will give all kind of things. It is a miniature form of the textbook, so you can go for these books blindly. You can trust these books, and many questions will be asked from these books only, friends. So this will be very much helpful if you are starting your preparation, and this is a Bible of our CSIR NET Life Sciences. This will be very good for you preparation. So these are from my personal suggestion, friends. So those two books I got from my parents' money. So these two books, and they are almost damaged. So I got the same book, Pathfinder book, from my own money. So I have a few things like I don't clear with the two books, so that is little bit emotional, and I thought it won't be lucky, so I got this book from my own money, so that it. So this is again a Pathfinder book, friends. So this is 7th edition, same book. What is the difference between the 5th edition and 7th edition? Many new topics have been incorporated for this particular 7th edition, and it was a updated one, 2019, and many new topic and many important things will be included in this particular thing. So really this book will be good for you if you are starting your preparation, and the price of this book is that 455, and I got them from Flipkart. And next tip is that these three are the same book, Life Sciences Fundamental Practices book. Since they are too hard for me to carry, I just divided them. So in this division you will have genetics and recombinant DNA technology, and in this book you have your plant and animal physiology, and in this part you will have all ecology and your evolution, friends. You will have all those things in this particular book. So it will hardly take 20 rupees only. They will stitch and give. You can try this particular thing also. So next is a textbook. So Molecular Biology of Genes, James T. Watson. So I just took a printout of those books, friends. So these things will be available online itself. So this is how I'll take notes and all for my CSIR. So they'll take online itself. You need to take out the printout and I'll put them as a spiral. So because of these things, this particular book alone I studied for my unit 2. So if I have a hard copy of the book, definitely it will be helpful so that I can scribble anywhere, anytime. So these books are very much helpful. And regarding your plant physiology is ultimately your TIES. I used the 3rd edition. Same as the molecular biology, I took the printout, okay, from the website or any other official site. And I need to put a printout. So if you see here, I had written everything. So it will be really helpful, friends. I used only this particular book only for preparing for unit number 6. And the other 2 books are from Catalyst publication. Okay, so these are the 2 books from Catalyst publication. So to putting spiral of these 2 books, one book costed me 250 rupees. Okay, so this is also 250 rupees. So based on the pages and your locality, the thing will also change. So this is a Catalyst. Maybe I also covered every book, friends, because I don't like if the book is uncovered, and since it will damage the book. Okay, so this is volume number 1, and in this you will have your genetics, molecular biology, ecology and evolution, plant physiology. Okay, so just like me, I'll write try your best, accept the pain, and my name Nastin can do. Like I'll write few important kind of things. And this is a suggestion from one of my friend who suggested me to follow this particular book, and Rupendra Singh in University of Delhi, he wrote the book very good. Even by comparing Pranav Kumar book, I'll refer this particular book for few important topics. You can refer this book for genetics and all, friends. Molecular biology will be little much difficult. You can refer molecular biology in Pranav Kumar, but this genetics will be very much helpful. And plant physiology will be too good for plant physiology and all, friends. See, I had prepared everything from this particular book only. See, this is how I'll prepare. So see, I'll just underline them. These books are just like a story for me, because I won't like to study story books. This particular books, I'll read them whenever I get tired of studying one particular note. So in the volume 1, you have this particular thing, and this is 2018 edition. Maybe you should try for a recent edition. They have official website. You can go for the website, or else you can call to them. They'll deliver the book. I'll give the description of all the books in the description below, so that it will be helpful for you. And this is volume number 2 of the same Catalyst book. So Catalyst is an institution operating in Lucknow, and it is really good. And these are the few other books. So this costed me 520 rupees, and both the books are 520, friends. And this Catalyst exam, this Catalyst publication is also having a practice booklet, and it will be really helpful for you, friends. And another book is that Pathfinder publication book. You have the Pathfinder previous year question paper booklet. You can try that too also. And this is how the book will be. And apart from these books, I too have the, for immunology and all, I have studied only. For immunology, I have studied only from Cube Immunology, and I do have a soft copy. So yeah, and I take few as a hard copy, and I have studied. I had misplaced the book somewhere, so I couldn't able to take. And for developmental biology also, you can go for Gilbert, which is very, very important book, friends. I'll take, because in developmental biology, you don't need to study 2000 pages given the booklet. You need to have only study 100 pages, literally 100 pages, friends. So developmental biology, I had studied from Gilbert. I have a soft copy, but for both soft copy, I had misplaced. Then this particular thing, biotechnology by Youth Satyanarayana. For your applied biotechnology and for your unit number 13, you can go for this particular book. And also I have the book in my hand, so it is very much helpful. And they also have a Satyanarayana biochemistry book also, and since biochemistry is boring for me, I have only soft copy of Leninger with me, so I had referred only the Leninger soft copy. Even I didn't take printout because anyhow, even though I studied, I forgot many things, so I'll have a specialized note for the biochemistry. So these are the books, friends, I had studied, and this helped me to clear the CSIR exam. And even though you are preparing MCQ alone, it won't help to clear CSIR exam, because referring MCQ will take to clear DBT, but to clear CSIR exam you should have your basics strong, and for that purpose only I have this many books with me. And the Pranav Kumar, if you are going to start your preparation, then Pranav Kumar's book is very much enough, and it is very helpful for you. If you are going to target for December preparation, then go for studying the textbooks which I said you can take a printout and you just spiral it if you can't able to afford them. So thank you, friends. This is the video for today, and I had showed all the textbooks and other books I had used for the CSIR exam preparation. Definitely it will be helpful for you. I'll meet you with an again new video. Thank you, friends.